Today's news 21 July 2020. Good morning, you're listening to Khushbu, your news anchor from La Farah News. Here we bring you all the updated news from around the world. An earthquake of magnitude 3.5 struck Satara, Maharashtra at 9:33 today. 2 dead, 5 injured in lightning strike in West Bengal's Malda district. Indian national injured in firing by Nepal armed police force in no man's land on Indo-Nepal border in Bihar's Kishanganj district. 13 people injured in Syria terror attack. Andhra Pradesh, 2 persons died of shock while they were doing underground cable work in Adivivaram area of Visakhapatnam today. One Indian Army Jawan lost his life near the line of control in Kargil sector when he accidentally stepped on an old unexploded explosive device. Morigaon, Assam Chief Minister Sarbanda Sonowal visits flood-affected areas of the district. CM Sonowal also handed over an ex gratia of Rs 4 lakh to the next of kin of deceased. 10 killed in lightning strikes during thunderstorm in 7 districts of Bihar. It is a very sad incident. We do not want to politicize it. Investigation will be done and culprits will be punished as per law. We will be meeting the family of the victim tomorrow. Gautam Dev, West Bengal Minister. One Indian injured after Nepal police shot at 3 Indian men near India-Nepal border in Kishanganj. Jammu and Kashmir, Pakistan violated ceasefire in Sundarbani sector of Rajouri district at about 1915 hours today. TDP chief Chandrababu Naidu urges Andhra Pradesh government to consider interest future aspiration of all sections before giving assent to bills meant for decentralization of state capital. 5 more dead in Assam floods, taking death toll due to floods, landslides to 110. Over 25 lakh people affected in 24 districts. West Bengal. Locals hold protest, block road and set police vehicles and public buses on fire against an gang rape and murder of a girl in Kalagaj in Uttar Pradesh. Exchange of fire occurred between police and Naxals at Peda Bailu Mandal in Visakhapatnam today. No casualties reported. Operation still underway. 2 persons steal over Rs 22 lakh from ATM after blowing it up with explosive in Madhya Pradesh. An Israel court will start hearing evidence in Prime Minister Benjamin corruption trial in January. The judge presiding over the case ruled today Sunday. I, Khushbu, will come with new updated news tomorrow.